여기는 어딘겨?
여기는 홍천, 강원도 홍천 쪽에 있는 캠프인디오.
정말 오랜만에 왔습니다.
여기 진짜 오랜만에 온 것 같아요.
새로 세팅한 거는 어떻게 마음에 드십니까?
새로 장만한 가구가 너무 마음에 들어서. 노동주예요.
See, funny thing about love is you never really know when it's coming, but you better believe you'll know when it's there. True story. I must have been searching, though I wasn't looking for much. Checking out the scene, wasn't trying to get my numbers up. You know I keep it cool. I prefer to stay in the cut. Don't want no attention on me when I'm trying to take the blues off me. But then I saw your face, it caused my heart to race. Girl, you're looking like $1,000,000. Something about the way you strut stuff. Girl, you're fine as you wanna. What I'm supposed to do? Something told me got nothing to lose. Go ahead and bust a move. Funny thing about love, when it comes and goes, you never know. So you gotta keep your heart